Hello. The other day I did a video on how I built those shelves, and I forgot to do a video about the desk. So it's a floating desk, I'd say. It's not completely floating because I guess there's no legs. But on the right side, since it's a corner desk, I put a 2x4 there to hold that side, and I'll show you how you how it was done. I'm gonna go under it. Move this. And you see, and I cut the 2x4 in an angle, and I did it all around. And the red tape is just to mark where the studs were. And in the front part too. And just it's just a plywood, a nice finished plywood that I painted. And in the front, I put a oak trim, and I used the router to kind of do like a angled edge there. After I did the desk, I had some plywood left, and I did this second level. It's just like a removable, I guess, stand that you can put a computer monitor. You run cables so you don't see the cables or anything. And that's actually the way I have it right now. Let me go under it to see. And drawers. They pull out all the way. And I didn't actually put the brackets on the sides like you usually see. I had to put it under, and there's a reason for that. When you open here, I decided to do a deep one for books or other items. But if you sit inside there, you see why I couldn't put a side sliding bracket. So that heavy duty shelf bracket, it's what kind of holds this side of the desk, since there's no wall, and I can really use this side to hold the desk. And I didn't want any brackets showing, so I kind of decided to hide it like that. And that's a pretty heavy duty bracket. I think they're rated for 500 pounds or 1,000 pounds a set. It's more than enough for just this desk. Again, it still has the 2x4 on the back and on the right side. And let me go around here. Let's look from this way. You can see better that way. And then I just use the same paint that I use for the shelves to paint the entire desk. And the glass top is just a piece of glass top from IKEA. And that stand on top, I use the same trim that I use on the shelves, so it's kind of matching. Let me go back so you can see the entire desk. And again, there's another video about the shelves. And I'm just gonna turn around here so you can see the desk I had before. It's one of those IKEA desks. Didn't really work out for us. This was much better. And the parts, again, you can find everything at Home Depot or Lowe's. The plywood is a high quality plywood with a oak finish on top. The trim is an oak piece that they sell at Home Depot as well. And the bracket that I use on the left side is a heavy duty shelf bracket. Again, I don't remember the name of it. I just remember the rating. It was like 500 or 600 pounds each, and should be more than enough for this desk. Well, that's it. I'll see if I can find some pictures of, the time I was building the desk, so you can see a couple of the steps. I should have done a video while I was building it, but I never really think about it until it was all done. And somebody asked me about how I did this. So again, this is the look at the floating desk. And if you want to see the shelves and the other projects I did around here, just watch my other videos. Thank you again. That's it.